I look at the symmetry, I look at the layers, I look at the color. The symmetry needs to be completely mirrored, okay, left to right. But it's always not the case. Hong Kong celebrate fireworks because it's the tradition. It's really, really into the root and the blood of the people. We put all the Chinese New Year symbols in the beginning. So that's a wow. In scene 2, there's a monkey face, a custom-made product for the Year of the Monkey. The whole show is 4.5 tons of explosive, 200,000 to 300,000 audience. Especially in Hong Kong, the audience here are tough audience. They like to see new things. Really, the fantastic part of the show is the color, the boom, and the flashes. And Hong Kong will not celebrate a Chinese New Year without fireworks.